Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today's recipe is some bread pie. Charlie, you are going to love this. The taste very great and simple and easy to make. And so before we start, please do well to subscribe for me if you have not yet done so. Like and share this video and leave a comment. Okay, so we are going to make use of bread. I have my rolling pin here. We are going to put it aside. The bread, this one is butter bread. I have the recipe in on the channel. Yes. So this is 3 days after baking this butter bread. Very rich and tasty. You just have to watch the video. And this is a sugar bread also. I have the recipe there. And I'm going to leave the link to those videos in the comment section and also the description box so that you can watch how to make your own sugar or butter bread, I mean rich one, at home. So just as it's being shown in the video, I'm slicing my bread. Okay, yes. So with the sugar bread I got 4 of them, and the butter bread I got 5 slices. Okay. And so what I'm going to do is we are going to roll these breads. Yes, we are going to roll it for it to be flat. This bread is very rich, eh? Just watch the video. Even after 3 days it was still soft. So this is it. If you try to fold it, it's going to break. uh because it's a rich bread, very heavy, so you can't easily fold it. Okay, so you are rolling everything. Please, if you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video for me, and leave a comment as well. Okay, click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. Okay. Okay, so after rolling each of them, this is what we have. And I have my vegetables here that I'm going to use. I have grated carrots, red and green bell peppers, spring onions, and cabbage. Yes. And so you can use any vegetable of your choice. I have 2 eggs here. I have sardine, a can of sardine, and I'm also going to make use of mayonnaise. You can omit it. Okay, so I have my bowl here, and the next thing to do is add all my vegetables in my mixing to my mixing bowls. Yes, and then stir it together. Okay, please do subscribe for me. I'm also going to add sardine. Because of the sardine, I did not add salt to this, but if you want salt, you can sprinkle a little bit on it, or the quantity that you prefer. So mixing everything, I'm going to add a mayonnaise to it. You can omit it. You can also decide to stir fry your vegetables and use it. Stir fry the vegetables with the sardine and use it without necessarily using the mayonnaise. So just do it the way you want. Okay. And so I'm going to add boiled eggs, 2 boiled eggs to it. I'm going to stir everything together, and we are going to set this aside. And I'm going to bring my chopping board, and then we are going to also whisk 1 egg. Yes, we are going to whisk it. Please like this video for me, like and share and leave a comment too. And so I just brought out one of the bread, and I'm going to apply egg all over the edge. It's supposed to be the edges, but I mistakenly applied it in the middle, and I scooped some of the salad or the mixed vegetables in the middle very well. Then I'll have one of the flat bread too, and then apply the egg wash all over the edges, and I'm going to place it on it. Yes, this way. And I'm going to press it the sides with my fingers very well, you see. And I'm going to make use of this my cup, place it on it and use it to cut it to get a round shape. Then take the edges, so trying to bring it out just hit it a little bit and it will come out. Okay, so you're going to do the next one. The bread has divided into two, so I'm just applying some of the egg mixture and then place it on it, seal it very well. And I'm going to scoop my vegetables or salad mixture on it, place it on it, then arrange it well, and then place one of the bread also on it. And this time around, instead of using the glass, I'm cutting it into square. So just take the edges and then we have this. And so this is what we have. We have three of the rounds and the square one. So we have one big size and one smaller size. Okay, so I'm applying egg wash on all of them. I mean, enough on it. I have enough of the egg on each of them. Make sure I applied it everywhere, and I'm going to bake this for between 15 to 20 minutes. So after baking, this is it. To this bread pie tastes so great. It tastes awesome. I mean, you need to give it a try to understand what I'm talking about. You see, the taste was out of this world. You enjoy every bit of it. Charlie, look at it. To give it a try and you will not regret. Make sure you watch my bread recipes. I have different bread recipes, so watch them and try them. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for sharing. Bye bye.